Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. A few days ago, I just received the order I've been waiting for over a month. These are what I've been expecting, and today I will be playing with them and give you guys review on my first impression because I never ever used Morphe products ever before, and I'm really excited to play with them. But first, don't forget to subscribe on my channel and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. Now let's get to it. So the first product is Morphe Dare to Create. Ta-da! It's really huge and it comes with the plastic with the name shade on them. To be honest, I wanted this palette because of this green right here. And the next thing I got is eye brushes set. Like I said, I never use any of their products, so I heard a lot of good things about their brushes, so I wanted to give it a try. So this is how it looks inside, and it comes with plastic wrap on the top. It's really nice, but it smells pretty bad, like fake leather that you just open, like new fake leather, you know what I mean. The brush set is $24 and the palette is $34, I believe. I already did my brow, and today I don't know what look I'm gonna be creating yet, but for sure I want to use the green that I showed you earlier. I haven't done my base because, like I said, I never used this brand, so I don't know if they're gonna have any fallout. And now it's time to prime my eyes. Again, I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Amplifying Eye Primer because I love it so much. First, I'm gonna use the shade called Transitional as my transition shade, and I'm gonna be using this brush. When I dip into the pan, it's a little dusty, which I don't mind. And then I will be using the blending brush with the shade called Bare to blend up on my brow bones. And now I'm gonna use this flat brush to dip into the shade called Fickle, which is the green that I like. This one is not so pigmented as I thought it would be. That's better. It has a lot of dust though. You should kick the excess out, like, I don't know if you see it. And now I'm gonna use my finger. I will go into the shade called Inspire, which is shimmer green. And I'm gonna press that in the middle of my eyelid. The shimmer feels quite creamy. And now I'm gonna deepen my outer V with the shade called Deep Hue with this brush. I did my base off camera, so we can move on to the bottom lash line. For the bottom lash line, I want to start with this brush, this little guy, with the shade called Define Me. And then I will go to the shade called Vivid with this tiny flat brush. And I will go back to Define Me to blend. For the inner corner highlighter, I will go to the shade called So Glam with this pencil brush. And this is the complete look. I did feel like using plum-ish colorful lipstick, even though it's not fall at all and nothing's match my nail, my eyes, my lips, but it's okay. I think overall the palette is great. The matte shades a little bit dusty and not really pigmented, but you can make it work. Just need some time to build them up. I would definitely playing with them more and use all the shades. And for the brushes, I think they are okay. They're not terrible, but there are other brands that make better brushes, like Sigma, obviously. But they work. I like them. I would definitely reaching them more for sure in the future. And if you like this video, please let me know by clicking the thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and also hit the notification bell so you know next time I upload the video. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys have a great day and see you in the next video. Bye!